hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to create and send customer statements, whether it be one by one or in bulk or batches. So firstly, we need to go to our customer screen. You can do it either by clicking customers and leads, clicking customers, going to sales and coming down and clicking customers here. If you are already in the sales screen, then you just come along and here's customers as an option. If you're going to send a statement to just one company or one person, you just come over to the right hand side. So for example, let's take Adwin Co. So all we need to do is come over here, click the down arrow, and you will see send a reminder or create a statement. See, for this one, we're just going to create the statement. So click on create the statement. And here you want to make sure that there is an email address that it will go to, otherwise it will fail. And then if you come down, you probably can't see it on the screen here, it says print or preview on the bottom in the middle. So if you click on that, you'll be able to take a look at the statement before you send it out, just in case you want to make any changes. You realize that there's been an invoice paid and it's not been reconciled in the bank or something. So you can check that here, and then you can print it if you want to. Alternatively, just close it. Okay, so that's to send one statement. So let me cancel out of there. If you want to do it in bulk, if you come over here, you'll see that you've got little check boxes you can use. What I tend to do, if you don't want to go and print actual reports to take a look at an age debtors or age receivables, you come over here and if you click on the arrows, it will sort itself ascending or descending. So if I do it this way, it will bring up all the outstanding, or bring out all of them that've got a balance. So I want to do all of these. So if I click on the check boxes for each of those, it's just the 4. And then I come up here where it says batch actions and click on the down arrow and it says create statements. When I come in here, you will see it has statement type. So you can choose the balance forward, anything open, or just a statement of transactions, i.e. these are the transactions that have happened between this date and that date. So we're just going to leave it at balance forward. And here you'll see on the first field here, it says missing email addresses. Again, you need to put an email address in there, otherwise it will fail. If we put bill@abc.com and Benjamin, Ben at hotmail.com. And then once you've done those, you can click on here to show how many statements are available. We already know this because there's a balance. Double check the email addresses. Now again, if you come down the middle, sorry you can't see that button, print or preview, click on that. And here you can check each and every one again. So double check that you're happy with those. Okay. If you are, you can send them to print if you want to, but we don't want to print them. We want to send them. So close this box. And if we come down here, I've just moved the screen. So now you can see what I see. So here is the print preview. And down here you have save and send. So if you click save and send, I'm not going to, save and send, off they'll go. And that's all you have to do. So quick recap, cancel out of here. If you want to send them one by one, just come over to the right, click the down arrow, create statement, make sure that there's an email address in the box so that it has somewhere to go. Alternatively, if you want to send multiple statements, then click the ones you want, come up to batch actions, and again, exactly the same process. And there you go.